Welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore the latest trends and technologies in the world of data analytics. In this video, we'll be discussing the pros and cons of Omega DataCube, a popular multidimensional database for data analysis. If you're interested in learning about the benefits and limitations of Omega DataCube and how it can be used to drive business growth, then this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of Omega DataCube. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. What is Omega DataCube? The Omega DataCube is a type of database that is specifically designed for multidimensional data analysis. It is a tool used to analyze large datasets by allowing data to be analyzed along multiple dimensions, such as time, geography, product lines, and customer segments. The Omega DataCube is optimized for fast and efficient querying and retrieval of data, which is critical for large datasets. The Omega DataCube is different from traditional relational databases because it uses a multidimensional data model. This data model is designed to provide fast, efficient querying and retrieval of data by organizing data into a cube-like structure. The cube structure allows for data to be analyzed along multiple dimensions, which is essential for businesses and organizations that need to analyze data from different angles. The Omega DataCube is used in a variety of industries, including finance, sales, marketing, and healthcare. It is an essential tool for businesses that need to analyze and make decisions based on large amounts of data. By using the Omega DataCube, businesses can gain insights into trends and patterns that would be difficult to identify using traditional databases. Overall, the Omega DataCube is a powerful tool for data analysis and provides valuable insights for businesses and organizations. How does Omega DataCube work? The Omega DataCube works by organizing data into a multidimensional cube-like structure, which allows for fast and efficient querying and retrieval of data. The cube structure enables data to be analyzed along multiple dimensions, such as time, geography, product lines, and customer segments, providing insights into trends and patterns that would be difficult to identify using traditional databases. To create an Omega DataCube, data is first extracted from various sources, such as transactional databases or data warehouses. The data is then transformed and loaded into the DataCube structure, where it is organized into dimensions and measures. Dimensions represent the various attributes that can be used to slice and dice the data, while measures represent the numerical values that can be analyzed. Once the data is loaded into the Omega DataCube, analysts can use OLAP, online analytical processing, tools to query and analyze the data. OLAP tools allow analysts to drill down, roll up, and pivot the data along different dimensions, enabling them to gain insights into the underlying patterns and trends. The Omega DataCube uses a process called aggregation to improve query performance. Aggregation involves pre-calculating summary information, such as totals and averages, and storing them in the DataCube. This allows queries to be executed quickly, even on large datasets. Features and benefits of Omega DataCube. The Omega DataCube has several features and benefits that make it a valuable tool for data analysis in various industries. Multidimensional data analysis. The Omega DataCube allows for data analysis along multiple dimensions, such as time, geography, product lines, and customer segments, providing insights into trends and patterns that would be difficult to identify using traditional databases. Fast querying and retrieval. The Omega DataCube is optimized for fast and efficient querying and retrieval of data, even on large datasets. Aggregation. The Omega DataCube uses aggregation to pre-calculate summary information, such as totals and averages, which improves query performance. Predictive modeling. The Omega DataCube can be used to perform predictive modeling, enabling businesses to forecast future trends and make informed decisions. Integration with other tools. The Omega DataCube can be integrated with other tools, such as reporting and visualization tools, to provide a complete business intelligence solution. Scalability. The Omega DataCube is designed to handle large amounts of data and can scale as data volumes grow. Customizable. The Omega DataCube can be customized to meet the specific needs of a business or organization, including adding new dimensions or measures as required. How to use Omega DataCube. Using the Omega DataCube involves several steps, including designing the data model, loading data into the cube, querying the data, and visualizing the results. Step 1. Design the data model. The first step is to design the data model, which involves identifying the dimensions and measures that will be used to analyze the data. This typically involves working with subject matter experts to understand the business requirements and identify the key metrics that need to be tracked. Step 2. Load data into the cube. Once the data model is designed, the next step is to load data into the Omega DataCube. This involves extracting data from various sources, transforming it to fit the data model, and loading it into the cube structure. This can be done using ETL, extract, transform, load tools. Step 3. Query the data. With the data loaded into the Omega DataCube, analysts can use OLAP tools to query the data. OLAP tools allow analysts to slice and dice the data along different dimensions, drill down to more detailed levels, and pivot the data to view it from different perspectives. The queries can be as simple or as complex as required, depending on the business requirements. Step 4. Visualize the results. The final step is to visualize the results of the queries. This can be done using reporting and visualization tools, such as dashboards, charts, and graphs. The visualizations can be customized to meet the specific needs of the business or organization, and they can be shared with stakeholders to communicate insights and make informed decisions. Omega DataCube Review. Pros and cons. Omega DataCube has several advantages and disadvantages that should be considered before implementing it in a business or organization. Pros. Multidimensional analysis. Omega DataCube allows for multidimensional analysis of data, enabling businesses to analyze data along multiple dimensions, such as time, geography, product lines, and customer segments, providing insights into trends and patterns that would be difficult to identify using traditional databases. Fast and efficient querying. Omega DataCube is optimized for fast and efficient querying and retrieval of data, even on large datasets, enabling businesses to make real-time decisions based on insights from their data. Aggregation. Omega DataCube uses aggregation to pre-calculate summary information, such as totals and averages, which improves query performance, making it faster and more efficient. Predictive modeling. Omega DataCube can be used to perform predictive modeling, enabling businesses to forecast future trends and make informed decisions. Scalability. Omega DataCube is designed to handle large amounts of data and can scale as data volumes grow, providing businesses with the ability to handle increasingly complex data structures. Cons. Complexity. Omega DataCube can be complex to set up and maintain, requiring skilled data professionals to manage and optimize it. Limited flexibility. The structure of the Omega DataCube can be limiting, making it difficult to modify or update the data model once it has been implemented. Steep learning curve. Omega DataCube can have a steep learning curve for new users, requiring training and expertise to use it effectively. Omega DataCube price and where to buy. Omega DataCube is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Thank you.